Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus KPK Book Foundation Unit number 14 Physics SSA 2 Unit number 14 Current Electricity. Today we will discuss SLOAs according to FBISC requirement numerical problems question number 1 to 4 in part 1 and remaining we will discuss in part 2. Let's start the numerical problem question number 1. In question number 1 given statement while starting an engine of a truck, its battery set of 720 coulomb of the charge in motion for 4 seconds. How much current is following? So, first of all, write the given data according to given statement. Charge delta Q is equal to 720 coulomb and time delta T is equal to 4 seconds. Now we can find that electric current I. So using the formula according to the given data I is equal to delta Q divided by T. Since Q is equal to IT, so we can use the formula I is equal to delta Q upon T. Finding the solution, we know that I is equal to delta Q upon T. Putting the values, we have I is equal to 720 divided by 4. Now we can calculate the value 720 divided by 4, then current I is equal to 180 ampere. So the final answer, the current is I 180 ampere. Now we will move numerical problem question number 2. In question number 2, given statement, a heating element on electric range operating on 240 volt has a resistance of 30 ohm. What is the current does it draw? Now, according to the statement, write the given data. Potential difference V is equal to 240 volt and resistance is also given that now the resistance R is equal to 30 ohm. Required that current I using the formula according to Ohm's law. Ohm's law is V is equal to IR. Now we can find the solution as we know that according to Ohm's law V is equal to IR, then we have I is equal to V upon R. This implies that current I is equal to V upon R, putting the values 240 divided by 30. So 240 divided by 30 is equal to 8 ampere. So the current I is equal to 8 ampere. Now we will move the numerical problem question number 3. In question number 3, given statement, calculate the resistance of wire when the current through it is 2 ampere and the voltage across its end is 3 volt. Now, according to the statement, given data, current I is equal to 2 ampere and the potential difference V is equal to 3 volt. We can find that the resistance of wire R is equal to question mark. According to the given statement using the formula, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Here, Find the solution. We know that V is equal to IR. This implies that R is equal to V upon I. Putting the values 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5 ohm. So the resistance R is equal to 1.5 ohm. Now we will move the numerical problem question number 4. In question number 4, here this statement is question number 4. In question number 4, 4 resistors all having the similar resistance of 15 ohm are connecting in series across a 30 watt battery. What is the current in a circuit? Now, according to the given statement, we use the given data. Potential difference V is equal to 30 volt and resistance R1 is equal to 15 ohm, resistance R2 is equal to 15 ohm, R3 is also 15 ohm and R4 is also 15 ohm. Why? Here the given statement 4 resistors are in a similar resistance is 15 volt. So each have 15 ohm. There we write that R1 is equal to 15 ohm, R2 is equal to 15 ohm, R3 is equal to 15 ohm and R4 is also equal to 15 ohm. Now we can write or require that the resistance, equivalent resistance Req and also find that the current. Solution resistance R equivalent is equal to sum of all the resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 is equal to 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, that is equal to 60 ohm. Now we are given statement, these resistors are connecting in series. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I or equivalent. This implies that I is equal to V upon R equivalent. That is equal to 30 divided by 60. So the current I is equal to 0.5 ampere. Best of luck for more videos. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah.